We're about to off everything now. The oil company need to be shut down now today.
Shut anything down.
Yeah. The whole pressure going to come here, and I don't give a fuck. Hurry up, hurry up.
Hurry up.
Hurry up. That guy, when I beat us more. That our brother. He don't beat him. On him before. On him before. That guy that telling me, you go see him white today. Sorry, your bros. Your brother go suffer now. No could do this now because. When they talk say this and that, they think saying a day joke. This I leave London, can't joke for you. This I come here, can't joke. Make any army make film. Cat boom. Now I'm ready to die today. Cat boom. It's going viral today. I don't care. Let her get me arrested. I don't give a fuck today. I'm the one shutting it down with my Musetogbe. Ndukwa youth, Niger Delta warriors is taking over Ndukwa now. We are taking over. Now, it's just a warning. Just warning. Warning. Next one again. Say it again.
Blast everywhere with blasts.
We're not joking anymore. We are just leaving this because it's our. We don't want to destroy it right now, but if they don't comply right now, we'll do it.
Blast everywhere, anywhere.
Who wanna do it? I did not make empty threats on social media that I'm coming to Pillar to show them off. I'm doing it. Talk and do. I'm here. This light I'm seeing going to shut down in a few minutes from now. Nothing going to make this light today. All the old pressure going to come here now. I don't give a fuck. Don't play me wayo. Because this thing will land in somebody's side though. As they comply I'm well. Video. Oh, do a video. Jump on you. Go there, touch light there. Shut it down. We're going to shut all the oil company who does not comply with the rules and regulations. Enough is enough. We are the one going to be doing Ndukwa a big favor. We're going to work for our people. Enough is enough. Look at me. I'm not afraid. I want arrest. Let them come and jail me. I'm a freedom fighter. If any army do fame, Befunoko, Befunaka, nothing going to happen today. My joy is going to be that this light is going to be going down, going down. I'm going to shut it off.
Yes.
Don't touch this man again.
Don't touch that man.
This one I be the work on now. All this work now do. All this one. So now play for you. We're not going to play for you. We're not going to play.
Come here. The last one.
Where are shot and dance?
Everything go off.
Shot and dance. This is our brother. Why don't I this flat?
Oh wow, they can ban you. I tell you, man, they can use you. I told them, why ban you free? Why ban you aside free? Why ban you aside free? I can't ban you. Say ban you.
Then they should go to the other side where you're free themselves.
Off everything, shut everything down. We don't want to see anything.
No favor.
They go shut down. No favor. Okay. Shut everything down. Even the lights. We don't want to see any lights. We don't want to see anything lights. Or we catch it, burn this place off.
And with lighter.
Burn this place off.
I'm ready to die for my children. And with lighter. I'm not telling you, look at this. Join all of us die here.
The job will build up for that time.
I know this brother. I never said go down. Hold on, make hold on first. Make it come down first. That's what okay. You will not flip. Let's go this guy. That's what we don't give now. Where the light, everything goes down. All the lights. Every one make people did dark. You don't know
that is how the video done. We don't have balance in the bottom there. Say babu tanon.
Shut it down. Any kind of thing.
Oh, call that our brother. Make off and name. Sabi this one. What's his name? You do. Pona near man in a belly. What's wrong with this one?
we are angry lions.
Follow us. There they go. Be going. The man man and only cock off in you should come and off it and before we let our Nebeni.
You Niger warriors!
Progress!
It's going down.
Yes. Going down.